I'm going to show how to use the wire stripping notch on a Swiss Army knife. Begin by locating the notch on your knife. This one is located on the bottle opener blade. Now place this blade in a right angle position where the notch is just exposed from the handle. Next, raise the knife blade from the handle as seen here. Next, place the stripping location of the wire against the notch to help hold it in place. Now lower the blade against the wire and apply gentle pressure with your finger or thumb. Then make a scoring cut completely around through the insulation without cutting the wires within. Once scored through, remove the wire and lock this blade into open position. Next, place the wire in the notch. Align the score with its edge. Then, use your thumb to hold pressure while pulling the wire with the other hand. The insulation should be easily stripped from the end.